Okay. So today we're going to learn, do we grow up or do we grow down? Do we get bigger or do we get smaller?
Big.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh. How do you know you get bigger?
It's bigger shirt.
Oh, because it has a bigger shirt. Excellent. So today, when we're all done, you're going to be able to use a graph, right? And you're going to be able to put this information into a graph. And we're going to show you how to do that today. Okay? You good? Everybody's good. Okay. So let's start. So how do we know that we are getting bigger? How do we know? What do you think? What do you think, Melody? How do we know? Because the shirt,
Small. Medium.
medium is this one. This is extra small.
Small. Medium.
And then
Big.
big or what is
No.
it? Large. Large. Okay, so let's see if this graph can teach us if we're getting bigger or we're getting smaller. So when you were a baby, you were 1 year old, you wore an extra small, right?
No.
You remember that? So let's see if we drew a line from the top of this one all the way to the top of this one. Did it go up or did it go down?
No, Ava said up.
Arrow said up,
Yes.
so it went up. So did you get bigger or did you get smaller?
A guy here, and little,
When you were
and
little.
1,
And now you are?
5.
So did you grow up or did you grow down?
Up.
Ah, okay. And so when you were 5 and you got to 8, you had to go, we went, here's the line, here's the line, here's the line, here's the line, here is the other shirt. What happened? Did we go up or did we go down? How did the arrow go? Up or down?
I should be 8 years old
You're 8 years old.
and going Christmas.
Okay, yes, the shirt's Christmas. Did this go up or did this go down?
And this way.
And that is up or down, which way?
Way up.
Ah, correct again. All right, so now you're 13. So big, so big. And now you have to wear what kind of a shirt? What does it say here? Look at the word.
Love.
Large.
Large.
Large. So she went from a medium to a
Large.
large. Which way did the arrow go? Up or down? Okay, did you go up or did you go down?
I passed this way.
You passed it, okay. Did that go up or did it go down?
Up.
Up, correct again. Have a seat. Thank you. All right, so if we took all of this information, what information do we have here? Let's talk about it. We have how old you are and what size you wear, right? So when Melody is 8, what size?
Medium.
Medium. And when Melody is 13, what size, Lula?
Large.
Large. What if we put this into a graph to make a ratio? What does a ratio mean? It means when you're little, you wear a little shirt, but when you're big, you wear a bigger shirt. So what does that say? As you grow, do you need a bigger shirt? You do. So you need a bigger shirt. So what if we did a graph to show all this information? You know what that graph is going to look like? I'm going to help you right now. So we're going to take your age, right? So let's take the first age, which is 1 year old, and we're going to put it in the graph. And what size, if this is the age, what size do you think that you had to wear when you were 1 year old?
At 5 years old.
Okay, we're talking about 1 year old.
A baby.
A baby. So what size is baby? Bring me that baby size.
This one.
That one, bring it. What size is that?
And small.
Extra small. So when you are 1 year old, you wear an extra small. Right? Is that a racial?
No.
No, it's not?
It's same shirt.
Yes, it is the same shirt. But now Melody is 5 years old. Can she wear this shirt? No? Why not?
It's smaller than this.
Oh, because it has to be bigger than this shirt and this one's too small for her?
Yes.
Okay, so when she's 5 years old, we are going to make her wear what kind of a shirt?
Small.
Correct. Is this a graph? Are we putting it in a graph? Does this look like a graph?
Mom,
Yeah?
you lied to me.
Okay. So now she's 8,
Uh-huh.
and she wears what shirt?
Medium.
A medium shirt. So where do we put this? Show me. Show me where we put this. How do we put this in our graph?
Here.
That one goes there, and this one.
Here.
Oh, that's so good. I'm so proud of you. Wow. Lula, if you're 13 and you wear large, where does that go?
Okay. 13 years old. It's in black.
Correct again. All right, so could we see that this is a graph? This right here, is this a graph right here? Just this piece right here that we just made? Can we call that a ratio graph?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Because when you're 1 year old, you're gonna wear an extra small.
Okay.
And when you're 5, you're gonna wear a small.
Okay.
So if I said, okay, I wanna know when Millie is 13 years old, what is she gonna wear? I'm gonna look for 13 years old, and what do I see? A large. So I know if mommy can't measure Melody, because I'm far away and I can't measure,
Wow.
right? I can't measure Lula. I'm at the store, I don't know how big Lula is. But Lula is 8.
Whoa.
And I look at my graph and I say, Lula, 8. I have to buy her what kind of a shirt?
Medium.
A medium shirt. You see how we could
Mm-hmm.
understand how to put this in a graph? Do you understand that? Okay, now it's going to be your turn. You and Lula do it together. Okay, so now let's talk about toys. Do we give a baby the same toy that we give a big girl? When you're this old, can you have the same toy as when you're this old? You can?
Yes.
Would you want to play with
A little kid.
a little kid? A little kid plays with little kid toys.
Mm-hmm.
But a big kid plays with what kind of toys?
Toys.
What kind of toys? Big kid toys or little
Big.
kid? Big girl toys. Okay, so we have all these toys, Lula and Melody. You guys are gonna stick it and you're gonna tell me when you're 1 year old, what kind of toys? When you're 5 years old, what kind of toys? When you're 8 years old, what kind of toys? We gotta figure out what kind of toys do we use when we need to put things together. What kind of toys? Okay? Do we have a problem with them? Okay, let me get another glue stick. Hold on. Start separating them.
Alright.
1 to 2.
Yeah.
It's in the top.
Mm-hmm.
1 to 2.
Here, I'll have another glue. Yeah. Put them together. There you go. Okay? So we're thinking about what kind of toys do big kids use and do little kids use? What kind of toy?
Right? Thank you.
Okay. Now let's look at this. See what we did together? Let's find a trend. What is a trend? A trend is the way the line is going. Is the line going up? Is the line coming down? What is the line doing? So if when you're a baby, you need a lot of toys. And then you get bigger and you need less toys. And then you get even bigger and you only have a few toys. But when you're like 16, you're like Alex. He doesn't have a whole bunch of toys, right? He has a phone and an iPad and that's all he has. But he doesn't have all the little toys that he used to have, right?
Mhm.
So what can we say about this trend line? Is it going up or is it going down? Are there more? Where are they less? Show me.
And very long.
Really high, okay. And then does it come down or does it go up?
Up.
This one's up, and then from here to here, is it going up or down?
In this way, down here.
Oh, down here, this way.
Yes.
So this trend is going up, or this one is going down? Here, is it going up or down?
It up.
Is here.
Yes.
And how is this line going? Up or down?
Very able go on down.
Down. So the trend for toys is that it goes down, not up, it goes down, right? So that means the bigger you get, the less toys you have, right? Wearing clothes, the bigger you get, the bigger the clothes get, right?
Right.
So those are ratios. That's how, when Melody gets bigger, her clothes get bigger. But when Melody gets bigger, her toys get less.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to try and do it each one on your own. Okay, so here we have books, right? Lula, you just write the books in. And we're going to count how many books do we have in each section. So we're going to match blue with blue and purple with purple and pink with pink, okay? So how many books do we have? What does that say? What does the trend say about the books? Okay, so you just have to color in or put an X with the amount of books and then figure out the trend. Is it higher or is it lower? Do we read more or do we read less when we get bigger? We do that. So we have, what do we have here?
13.
We have one book, right?
And we'll
How many books? Now we're going to count. Correct. And here, the last one, we have very nice. Now, what is that trend? Do we read more or do we read less?
up.
So, draw the line that goes up. Write your name on there. Put your name on there, okay? So the trend goes up. Okay. So that's it. Now we're going to do some exit questions. Nicely done. Thank you. Thank you, Lula. Perfect. All right, now let's do some exit questions. Melanie, get up here and take an exit question. And read that question and tell me what it is.
Melody, do you quick up
Row.
or roll up or down?
So tell me, do we grow up or do we grow down?
Up.
Tell me why. Why you-
Because it's big like these.
Oh, I see. Okay, good job. I see. Lula?
Name something you could use this graph. The size.
To find out the size. So is this important? Should we know how to do this? Right? Can we find information when we make graphs? Do you know how to make them now?
Yes.
Excellent job.